Hello, today I'm going to solve the Tower of Hanoi puzzle in the least amount of moves. So I've got 5 rings here on this last pole, and what I've got to do is move all those 5 rings so they end up here in order on this last pole. And there's a couple of rules for the Tower of Hanoi puzzle. You can only move 1 ring at a time, and each ring has to go onto one of these poles when you move it, and you can't put a ring on top of another ring that's larger in size. So that's not allowed because the orange is smaller than the yellow, or the yellow is bigger than the orange. But if it went like that, then that would be okay because the orange is smaller than the yellow, like that. Okay, so it's time to start. So I'll move the orange to there, yellow to there, and the orange back on top of the yellow, green to the end, oops, orange there, yellow there, and orange back to the end. And you can see they're still all in ascending order, so that's all pretty good. Now the blue goes into the middle, orange on the blue, yellow goes onto this bluey green colour, and then the orange back on the yellow, green in the middle, orange to the end, and then yellow to the middle. And there we go, the orange on top of the yellow. And now we finally move the last one to the end, and then the next move we move the orange to the end, yellow to there, and the orange on top of the yellow. And you can see every move that I make that there's a smaller ring placed onto a larger ring. Now I put the green to the end, orange to the middle, yellow to the end, orange on top, and now blue to the end. So I'm getting close to solving it. And orange to the end, yellow to the middle, orange on top of the yellow, green to the end, orange to the end, yellow on top of the green, and finally the orange on top of the yellow. So there we go, I've solved the Tower of Hanoi puzzle for 5 rings. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.